Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore failed deployments in Vercel using build rollback. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore a failed deployment in Vercel, start by logging into your Vercel account. Navigate to your project dashboard. Locate the project you wish to manage. Click on the project's name to open its settings. In the project settings, find the Deployments tab. Here, you will see a list of all recent deployments. Identify the deployment that has failed. Click on the specific deployment to view more details. On the deployment detail page, look for the Rollback button. Click the Rollback button to initiate the restoration process. A confirmation dialog may appear. Confirm your action to proceed with the rollback. Vercel will now start restoring the deployment to the previous successful state. Monitor the progress in the deployment logs. Once the rollback is complete, a message will indicate the success. You can now verify that your application is running as expected. Test your application to ensure everything is functioning correctly after the rollback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.